You use this knife and you literally just go wah, and then you just throw it at the car and hopefully that's gonna work.
Who's man's?
Who's man? Okay, one more time. What's up, guys? Hey, it's Karan from Cruze Culture. So today we're going to do an unboxing of the Ksport coils for the first gen Chevy Cruze from 2011 to 2016. We're going to do an in-depth unboxing of them and see what you get inside. And they are about $800 on the website, so check them out at cruzeculture.com. Alright guys, so we're going to get into the unboxing. So first things first, take off the straps and then use a knife to cut the tape. Here we go. So we're going to do an in-depth of each part, what you're going to get, and including, you get a towel that's included. So you guys get some fun little things in here. So, and yeah, so we're gonna do that.
So these guys right here, these are your end links. These are super nice quality, better than the OEM plastic ones. These are gonna last you a lot longer too. All right, Karan, I want to pull out what's in there. All right, so this is what we looks like. The front, yes, so front left strut. So that's the bad boy right there.
Okay.
There we go. These are your rear springs. So you got one, obviously, got the other one right here.
Right there.
Other rear spring. These are the perches. If you're really trying to go low, I definitely recommend to take these out and just leave the spring to get maximum low. If you're trying to go for a moderate drop, and then keep the perches in. What else?
And you get the right front.
This is the right front.
The right front strut.
Anything else? Okay, yeah. So these guys are to help with your, I believe, dampening in the front. You just basically turn the clicks, turn a certain way. Obviously, will make it stiffer the front, and turn the other way. It'll make it softer. And then these are your spanner wrenches, or actually no, they're your spanner wrenches right here. You want to take those out?
Yep.
There's your spanner wrenches to adjust the height of your coilover to whatever height you want. And just some other little fittings, it looks like. And then, yeah, I believe that's it. It's really simple. Just your front strut, your rear strut, the rear springs, the rear perches, the adjustments for this ride quality, basically. What else you get in here?
You get the instruction manual. I believe they give you, yeah, so guys, you get a, hang on, let me open this nicely for you guys. Let's see. So you guys get quality Ksport stickers, and it says, "Thank you very much for your continuous support. Let us always keep leading speed and what can say competitor wanted loudly." So, yep. So you guys we get stickers. You guys get quality towel, which is awesome, from Ksport. And of course, you know, if you guys are gonna do it yourself, there's an instruction manual. This is like a booklet of showing each of the products that they have, from brakes to calipers to coils to air ride. Well,
yeah, they have air
ride and all that, and then what wheels, you know, would recommend and all that. I'm guessing. So, and there you go.
Awesome.
So that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, I would definitely recommend. I mean, it is easy to put them together, but I mean, if you want to, you can just have a shop do it. It's recommended, so you don't have to go through the trouble. I mean, unless you have everything all ready to go, then do it yourself, definitely. So You can save like, you know, a lot of money. But if you want to just get it done professionally, which I'm gonna do, then definitely get it done by a professional. So, and I'm sure they'll work with you what kind of ride height, you know, what you guys want to do. So there you go, guys. So this is the unboxing of the Ksports for the Chevy Cruze.
And then here's the model number, or here's the model, Control Pros, and then these are the SKU. So just to double check, in case you guys are wondering, this is the exact model that we have, the same one that we offer on our website.
Yes, we have them for $800, and like I said, we have them for the first gen, 2011, 2016. They will work with all branded models, or
LS to LTZ.
Yeah, to the LTZ, to the LT, the LTZ, and the diesel.
And Eco.
And Eco. So there you go, guys. So that's the unboxing. This is what you get in the box, and what goodies you get, and definitely worth it, guys. So check it out on cruzeculture.com, and the link is below. Thanks, guys.
See you, CC fam. Have a great day, and thank you for watching.
Peace out.